X, there are already sellers coming in at 36.80. I really can't believe that just happened. My puts would have opened up fucking green as shit. And now they're not. $36.85. That's where we're going.
So, like, did we get any news for this crazy spike?
Yeah, so Wall Street Journal just came out with a report saying that the Fed is going to slow down after the next meeting. I don't know exactly why that would cause stocks to bounce, considering a slowdown is not actually the greatest thing for us. Damn, my puts would have been green at open, and now they're not gonna be. One thing on the fucking news could just fuck you like that. $200 lots at 36.90.
Gotta be in there somewhere. I'll be there. What about over here? Yes.
Yeah, we just tapped 36.90, rejected. Was that a low volume push? I think it was. God damn. We're gonna come right back down. Because that news was, it doesn't do anything. We still have 20 minutes. Why am I like looking as if the market is about to fucking open? Wow, it came right back down. Oh, I really wish we were open so I could have averaged down on that. One sec, I'm gonna close my office door because my maid is here. Alright, so we rejected the 800 on the 5 minute, and now we're bouncing off the 200 on the 5 minute. I can't believe that just happened. And that it didn't let me get an average down. Because the market's not open. Alright, I still think we dumped today. Oh, we're covered right back down.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Morning, Glitch.
How are you today?
I'm great. Except for this fucking candle that confused the fuck out of me this morning.
What? Which one?
What do you think, which one? This fucking boner.
I'm still pulling it up, so give me a second.
Oh, like, literally just like...
What the hell?
Yeah, it
Okay, I see it now.
Came out of nowhere.
Wow.
That's what a boner looks like, Glitch.
Okay.
Yeah, Glitch,
Thanks,
I know you're a
Karen.
little old and you haven't seen one in a while, but this is what one looks like.
Hey, don't worry about me. I'm still have my morning wood going on right now. Need a pick?
I'm alright.
I'm willing to share.
You're alright, bud.
There's a Fed speaker right now.
God, really popping right back up. Let's see if we reject 3680. Are some sellers stepping in?
Going buyers at 70% right now and climbing. Oh, sellers stepping up. Just dropped down to 63, 64.
Yeah, there's sellers at 36.80.
Oh, I need to open up Bookmap.
Dude, Bookmap's low key god tier.
Yeah, I forgot to open that puppy up.
You were hating on it last week.
Well, because I didn't know how to use, like, I had subscribed to Bookmap and I was on their site and I was, like, paying for a bunch of shit and it just wasn't working.
Yeah, what happened this morning with that boner?
It was literally just a Wall Street Journal report saying that the Fed might ease rate hikes.
Okay.
I might just enter puts at open. Just scale into them throughout the day. I think we close at 3,600 today on SPX.
Yeah.
What did Master Wu say? 30?
3,605, but
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll take it. Sell any pop.
Yeah, VIX is sitting on a demand too.
Which puts should I get into? Which ones you getting into, boss?
I'm already in SPY 350s for November 4th, so I might just average down on those. I also might just grab some SPX on top of it.
SPX 0 day?
No, 4 days out.
Oh God, I was gonna say. Wow, shut your damn cat up.
Glitch's cat's got a boner too. Jeez.
Yeah. Good God.
Today's OPEX. Yeah.
It is? Ah, shit. It's gonna be a nice weird day today.
All right, 5 minutes.
Yeah, it is. The monthlies.
See if I can 100% my port again today. Yeah, look at Tesla. Yes.
Yo, Xcal.
Damn, XCal.
Sorry, that was my ringtone going off.
Okay.
All right, can the market open?
3.5 minutes. Oh, hey, I just put the Nessie back on, and Nessie just rendered up earlier.
Freaking
before that
Christian
spike.
McCaffrey gets traded for peanuts.
What?
Christian McCaffrey gets traded for peanuts.
Mm.
Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine.
Aww.
Oh, what?
Nothing. Saying aw.
We'll see.
Let me put my headset on. I woke up a little bit late, so I wasn't able to put out a watch list, but oh, someone has book maps up now. Fancy.
Yeah, we special.
Did it work out for you yesterday with that drop?
For me?
Royal?
Yeah.
No, with Royal.
Oh yeah, I did. Dude, bookmap is fucking. Look, I don't know bookmap for continuation. It's kind of hard because it's like, oh, here's there's a heavy orange block right here. Like I should probably trim, and then like it breaks right through it, and you're like, oh.
Yeah. They call this level 4 trading. You know how they have level 2
Yeah.
that people look at? This is level 4.
So what's level 3?
Some guy I was watching on fucking that who was breaking it down was like, this is level 4. I'm like, call this level 4? Okay. I'm not going to refute it because I don't know too much about bookmap, but
So, Professor,
yes.
this is what Bookmate helped me out with yesterday. I sent you a DM.
I'll give you a resource. Whoa, look at that. Well, let me give you $200 to see what you can do with it.
Oh, yo, they are loading up on both sides right now.
Yeah.
I don't even know. I may play.
Wow, someone is about to get fucked.
Nah, I'll play Spy. I kind of like bowling to the downside.
Yo, look at all these fucking orders. Right above
Damn.
and right below.
Yeah, there is a ton. A large one at 3680.
Alright, we got a minute. Oh, we're dropping.
We got a minute and then we drop. Wow.
Are you gonna play 0 days today, Glitch?
I try not to play 0 days anymore because they kill me. We're open.
Oh, orders below just dropped out.
Yeah, I see that. Huh.
All my puts are green. I just entered some SPX puts too at 34.10.
Yeah, damn, we might make our way back down into last week's open.
Good. Just break the V swap.
I'm looking at the hour.
Oh, there we go. I'm already up $400 on this contract, $500 on this contract.
Damn.
That was fast. Baidu's under 90. We keep falling. We're just falling, according to the book map.
Oh, damn. Well, we just wicked right back up. I wanted to get a trim out. I wanted to get a trim out, and now it's coming back up. I was just up $500 on that contract, and now it's... Ooh. I wanted to buy another one, though, so this is fine. Wow, I just went from being up like $500 on that contract to being red on it.
It's SPX for you. all puts right now.
Are you gonna actually say something this time, Glitch, or are you just gonna work in silence?
I'll probably say something.
I think I'm not gonna eat Panda Express again.
No, why not?
I literally passed out like a drunk person on my bed and didn't even wake up in time. I tried their Beyond Orange Chicken. Why do they have to, it's alright. Why do they have to charge more? Like it's fucking shrimp when it's a plant based. People just love to like get over the fact that it's plant based, but it's like it's not really plant based. It's made in a fucking lab. If you want plant based, you should take the time to actually make it.
Oh, there we go. I'm green again. I just want to see us flush.
On looking at 363s, 0
Yep.
days.
Oh, 363 0-day puts?
Yeah.
I can't purr like you, but yeah.
That? Is that what you
Yeah.
want? Yeah, my entry hit at 120. I only grabbed one. See what it does. We're at 68% buyers, 63, 70, 63 on ES.
I'm gonna look at 362 puts 0 days since it's under a Delta 30.
Like I said, I only grabbed
Oh
one.
shit.
So.
Yo, voice chat is full.
Yeah, I thought you knew.
Oh, I didn't. Fuck.
Currently up 20%.
You be posting that Friday tweet.
Wow, I'm up 10% on these puts. Let's go. There we go.
Have a nice little flush here.
Yeah.
You want to see? Well, I'm looking at the 30-minute here. You want to see it try to close underneath 363.88. Fuck it. Let me drop down into a 5-minute. See what I can actually work with.
We got 37% buyers, 40.
Oh, I think we're gonna see a nice little trip down to preferably 362.50.
Alright,
I
I'm
only
trimming.
grabbed one.
I'm trimming one.
All right, moving my stop up.
Trim at 39. Wow,
Yo,
there we
these are
go.
making money though.
Holy shit. There we fucking go.
Top's almost about to be hit.
You're playing a 0 day. That's what.
Yeah.
That's, have a tighter stop. You always want to have a tighter stop on 0 days, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, that was a quick 38.
Here's our nice little recovery push here.
Yep. Glad I had that stop.
Oh, damn.
Because it's just at almost at break even for me if I was still in it.
Oh man, they're sucking all the premium out of these fucking 362s now.
Damn, I should have gotten all out.
My suggestion is to see if price can get back up to about 366.19 before getting into puts. The reason why I say that is just because above 365.80 there is a small liquidity block that needs to get recovered.
Mm.
So if they're going to push it up to that level, they're going to at least try to assume that you want to go long there, so they're going to sell their long positions and try to build shorts because that's what they're doing now. They're closing out their long positions and selling them to retailers who either are trying to get go long here as a dip buy. Hi. Yes, I'm serious.
Damn.
Huh? I didn't hear that. I didn't hear that.
You
Yeah.
can't hear your own wife.
Yeah. Selective hearing though.
I think you've gotten to that point where you've tuned out your own wife when you're trading.
No, not me.
Yes, you have.
Mm,
Don't worry, I have when I was married. I had to focus.
Get my re-entry on the 363s at 110 or at 124. Just grabbing one scalp every single time.
So if you guys are new to voice chat, welcome. Glad to have you guys here.
Ah, damn! I'm really pissed. I didn't get all out when it was down there. I should have. I was up $1,000. It's up $500 a contract. I'm only up $80 a contract right now. Not even.
And it happened.
Might
Wow.
push.
There's a lot of buyers at 380 or 3680.
Buyers.
Or there's a lot there, excuse me.
There's a heat map up there.
Heat map up there, sorry. Alright. Currently
I
set
might
my
get all
stop.
out.
Set my stop. See, yep, it hit. That was another quick $20. Damn, I should have kept into it. Oh well.
Your next heat map area is going to be 3656.25.
Yep.
Get down there. Right now, you just kind of have small orders here and there, or just bouncing off of.
This is VWAP.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I would actually.
Damn,
gonna
I'm
wait
considering
for
getting out.
I'm gonna wait if we can get back to VWAP. Oh, that was a nice little breakdown of the VWAP. I think I may have to use my faster laptop just to use the book map. I'm getting a nice little lag on this trash can pizza.
Alright, I'm getting all out.
Alright, it re-entered again at 126. Setting stops at 140. It hit 140.
For those who are, according to my forecast, we just jumped.
Huh? Anyone else here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
Oh, that was Tim. Okay, I thought it was me for a second.
See your book map like just stop.
Yeah, it did. Stop for just a second, but buyers are at 44%.
Damn, I wanted to. I was about to re-enter my fucking puts.
I have a stop set. See if it hits. It hit my stop. I don't care. That was another $22 really quick.
Damn. pop up so I could re-enter. I didn't mean to get all out. Please.
Keep flushing, because I'm in again.
I am loaded.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back in. Fuck it. I
Got
filled
that
at
3656 number.
I'll average down if I need to.
If there was a way I could change the color on this heat map.
There is.
I mean, for the bubbles, is there?
Oh, I don't know about that.
Y'all can't keep me out of here. It's loaded. It's loaded. I messaged every admin I knew.
Yeah, message me. So
Well, I don't know. We've never messaged before. There's too many imposters. Wait, yeah, it did.
exactly.
Exactly.
Hey, it don't
That's
matter.
your problem.
Because Royal Alerts, I got paid. So. Nothing like fat fingering and getting too many contracts and then it paying them way off.
Like above 3680.
Oh, damn. Damn, I got filled on more SPX puts. I'm hoping this
Yeah.
comes down because I'm was up $1,000 today and now I'm down $1,000. It's not good.
Not good. I don't like this push. $346 at 3,700.
Let's just do a lunchtime drop.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna just keep scaling into these puts. Oh shit, I used way too much buying power. Oh, I only have enough buying power for like one more contract. Dude, I was up $1,000. How is this possible? Oh shit. I should have just called it a fucking day.
Yeah.
Damn, I'm down 3K. I could have just called it a fucking day. Damn, and VIX just broke down. Oh, I might get fucked here. I need like 100-point reversal now to be in the money. 50-point reversal to be in the money.
Yeah.
Watch them blow right past 3,700 here. Nope.
Come on, reject down. I need us back below. Yeah, there we go. I need us back below 36.88. There we go. The contracts are coming back, but I need them to come back more. No, don't bounce up from here. Don't. All right. Well, I'm in these puts at $30.40. They're at $25.30 right now, which kind of sucks, but I'm gonna hold for now.
God, bro.
I need sellers to step in. Come on, break the 800. Just go down.
Come on.
I'm way too heavy leveraged in this. Oh shit. Yo, XCal, we gotta stop streaming so more people could get in. Cause XCal needs to get in and tag knife.
Yeah.
XCal, can you stop your stream? There we go. Alright.
Well, my job here is not needed.
You're not needed? Is that what you just said?
Shit.
Buyers are at 82% on ES, dropping. SPY 68%, 72 to 68%, sorry.
Stop waking up over there. Fuck off. Just fucking stay below my 800. I swear to fucking God. these can drop a lot more, which sucks. Like, these contracts could go down a lot more. If we break 3,700, I'm kind of fucked.
Yeah.
Shit, how come people still can't get in VC?
Too many people in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to kick out someone that's not a sub.
We should have. Why can't we have more? Should be no
Yeah,
limit
Boyle,
on VC.
I'm about to go get a free person in there so they can see the power.
It's really just Tag Knife and Professor X are trying to get back in.
All right, let X in, not Tag, and knock it off. Who
Damn.
Likes T now? Who likes T now, bitch? All right, I'll catch y'all later.
Wow, did we just break 3,700? Shit. Oh, this is about to get real rough.
Yeah, that was ugly. Hello.
Golly, did you see the message I sent you, Glitch?
No, I haven't. Sorry, I was away. Not looking at that.
They
Who is
literally, in the midst of me talking, I get that message on my fucking Cox cable app.
Oh shit.
And then I'm looking at the chart, I'm like, why the fuck is this thing moving? And then when it uploads back up, I'm like, oh wow, we fucking moon. Glad I didn't grab puts yet.
Oh shit.
I would have got demolished on my puts.
Yeah, I got demolished on mine, but I'm fine.
I made a grand and then I re-entered and I'm fucked right now.
I'm down 100 today, so
I'm still looking. This is a big push, and we're back at the 800 SMA on the 5-minute on SPY. We either get above it or we get a closed rejection, so I can't really react just yet. Let me throw back on the 800 EMA. We're above the 800 EMA. But I'm looking at the 10-minute. My dog keeps asking for cookies.
Roll cookies.
Cookie? I want cookie.
We already broke the last ceiling on SPY.
We did, huh?
Mm-hmm. SPY needs to get back over 368.95.
Shit, I do not like where the VIX just closed.
Holy crap. $29.47, huh?
If you're trying to play a 0-day, I would say you need to wait for a volatility flush here. You could scalp it up to 370 here. That's a possibility. but you want to keep your stops relatively tight. So if I were you and I wanted to go long here, you can grab the 3. Let me see, delta under 30. You can grab 371s for 85 cents, putting your stop at 367.31 off of the 5-minute. You don't want to be in the trade too long, especially with a 0 day.
Yeah.
It's what longer, the more you're losing intrinsic value, right? That's what Cliff says, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're losing intrinsic value.
Ah.
So since
That's
I'm
622 at 37.10.
looking for the downside, there's a lot more downside. If we don't get it today, I'm going to be looking for a in the money put once we get closer to 370. So that way the pullback, if we get a volatile pullback and we come back down to retest 3, damn, the next level I got for us to retest of liquidity blocks is going to be at 366.19 down to 365.25.
Correct me
I
if
need
I'm
the
wrong,
market to
but
come.
wouldn't
If the
intrinsic
market
value
doesn't come down today, I am getting
with
fucked up
the
this puts.
contract is in the money?
KK?
What?
You guys are over.
My bad. Go ahead.
No, you said something about in the money or intrinsic.
I was just wondering. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the intrinsic value would only be applicable if the contract was already in the money, right? Like a 0 DTA is decaying quick,
Yeah.
but if it's not yet in the money, then it has no intrinsic value yet. Am I right?
Correct. Well, if you really, yeah. But or is it? It's one of those ones. I don't.
Sellers really need to beat buyers here. If we break 37.10, I'm gonna get fucked.
So I just who asked that about the intrinsic and extrinsic?
I did.
Shit.
Name?
Zoya.
Yeah, we're breaking.
Hang on.
Wow, I just gotta hold these then and see what happens.
Oh.
Because we're definitely gonna come down by the end of the day, so I'm gonna hold these.
You
But-
said Zoysia?
Yeah, Zoya.
Okay.
Zoysia.
When it comes to intrinsic and extrinsic, I'm not the ideal best person to really go off of those. Let me just say. I look at the market from a different metric, but I try to use relatable terminologies that that are taught to the masses. So that's where I came with the intrinsic value, because the intrinsic value, I believe, is when it goes up. It's getting more value as it's getting closer and closer to its target. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I think I use the intrinsic value analogy, because it makes sense to, the people who read that book or read anything pertaining to intrinsic and extrinsic. So as, for example, since those
Exactly what you meant. So yeah.
yeah. So for example,
can you hear me?
for those 370s that I mentioned on the 0 day that were at 371s, my apologies, that were at a delta of negative 20, I mean, not delta negative, but delta 28, they were at 85 cents. They're now at 115 from the area of where we broke out from 367 up to 368.95. So it got intrinsic value as it was moving in the direction that it was within the time frame that we were looking at, I think. But again, I could be wrong when it comes to intrinsic and extrinsic value.
I know exactly what you mean, so it doesn't really make a difference.
Dude, I'm down bad right now. I can't believe I was up. I could have been done for the day, and now this shit fucking happens.
I'm still currently sidelining. I couldn't take this move up.
Dude, the
because
book map says plus 85 on fucking buyers.
you
Yeah.
have
And
15
it's increasing.
Yeah, I know. I'm like really not liking that.
I do. And the reason why you shouldn't really be worried for the downside move is just because as the buyers are increasing, the market makers are basically liking that because that allows them to unload more of their long positions to retailers who believe it's going to go higher as the market maker then builds a short position against your long position. It's just more so just finding a psychological number where they're going to really unload the most amount of it. So if we get above the 368.95, the next area that you want to pay attention to is going to be 369.58 if we don't get the flush down now, which it got relatively close to it.
The selling climax, right?
Yeah.
Damn, they're just buyers stepping up.
And I always like speak about this is that when price is going up and you're missing that up trade, you just kind of wait until, you know, liquidity or market makers are done selling because they're trying to close out long positions. And you always have to look to your left to see where liquidity blocks are still sitting. Some people won't have privy to that, but you can kind of figure that out if you use like a supply and demand situation where you see an imbalance of price. I use algo that kind of maps out these colors on my candles for me. But what I'm looking at, since we're up in this area and I did not catch the long way up from the bottom there, I'm looking at 369.60 as an area where market makers will unload. If they break above that 369.60 and buyers are still prevalently strong, then we're looking at 370.25 where the final flush is. Because after that, there's no liquidity that the market makers need to even grab up here. So since there's no liquidity longs that they need to close out, they may then want to come back and retrace back down according to the 15-minute time frame. They want to retrace price right back down to the lows of at least 367, 365 by the end of the day.
How do you know that there's no liquidity there? Volume profile?
Not, I'll give you a screenshot in the meeting.
Thanks.
Yeah. So that way you can kind of see what I'm referring to. Let's say, hey.
I'm relatively new, just trying to learn.
Hi. And I just dropped that over to you.
Ah, shit. Somebody's here. I'll be back.
So Zoe, I don't want to butcher your name. Can you pronounce it for me, please?
Zoysia, like the grass.
Okay, Zoysia. So I trade off of what is called a hybrid system, which is price volume analysis. And essentially what it does is that you're looking for these imbalances where market makers are building short positions and long positions. And the way how you can tell that is that they use psychological numbers, but they also do a lot of their transactions between quarter numbers. So let's say we're at 369.50, then they'll bump up to 369.75, and then 369.76. That's where you're going to see a lot of the volatility happening within those just above the quarter numbers. And then when it's a whole psychological number,
Really?
it pushes up or it makes a short position slightly under there. If you even look back at charts, when someone is looking at price hit to 370, don't you always notice that if it is slightly under the 370 where people were trying to hit the bid, but it can't go any higher? It's because the market makers are just unloading just under that 370.
There definitely was some consolidation yesterday, right in the 367 or
Yes.
3675 area.
Exactly. So what this algo does is that it tracks the unusual imbalances of price action per candle. So what happens is that once the candle has a certain amount of volume to it, it turns into a blue candle or a green candle or a purple candle or a magenta reddish candle. And the reason why is that these are the candles that I'm paying attention to because this is where price needs to retrace back down to. The other grayed out candles is just where volume on those candles was relatively low, but it was still pushing in the direction that it needed to go to. So as you can see, we're pushing up here, but as I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame, there's not enough volume to sustain it until it turns a specific color. So what I'm looking at when I see that massive green candle is that once we hit a peak level at the top, price will then roll over, and then those market makers need to then say, I just sold a lot of contracts to retailers. I am
Yeah.
now short while they're long. As price is going up against me, I'm taking a loss and they're taking a win. If they are not smart enough, they'll continue to believe that they will go higher. And this is where the human condition goes into, where we don't know how to take profits, we don't know how to properly risk manage, etc. That all plays a
They're just
factor.
agreed to manipulate the retailers.
Yes. So they do all these types of tricks and tactics to then give you the illusion that it's going to go higher, but then they have a huge sell order, and this is where you look at like either a level 2 or in this case a book map where you can see where there's a massive amount of liquidity that's sitting there. That liquidity can be another buyer, but why would a buyer want to be buying at that high? So then I look at it as if it's a liquidity above there, I need to then pay attention to that level. If we get in there and we fill all those retailers, let's say, that close out their long positions, it would then require us to then pull back down. And if they do that, or those retailers believe price is going to keep going higher, because there are some traders who believe they can just break through all fucking levels and then they can get rich quick and fast and everything like that, then what we see is that market maker then uses that to their advantage and says, okay, I'm going to unload even more liquidity at this level, or I'm going to be taking profits on older positions that I've built either a week or a few months ago. And now we're back into that area where now I can close out that position, because each time price was going down, they were averaging down on their positions. Again, market makers play with equity, retailers play with options. So if I'm an equities trader, I can hold on to the damn thing until it goes down to the lows of, let's say, 200. But I'm just going to keep adding into the position to then average cost my position even lower. So even the slightest move up on a move that I did 3 months ago where it was at a higher price, now I'm starting to realize a profit as we start to move up the ladder of liquidity.
Just buy low and then sell high, I guess.
So because of that,
Or not even sell, just build position low.
yeah, so because of that, what we will see is that once we hit that sell order, there will be a hammer that basically hits, pushes down, creates an imbalance, and then all those retailers who went long either have to do one of two things. Either they have to average out on their position, or they need to close out their position. Or they, no, three things. Average out on their position because they still believe it's going to go higher, get stopped out of their position, or they just take a massive loss. Most of the times, people are too gun-holed and, greed hungry, says, no, I believe it's going to go. They stay in the trade. Now their stop loss hits. Now you've now added onto the fire of what the market maker just unloaded. So then the candles turn a dark, if there's a lot of volume that's happening on those candles, it turns dark red. Once it turns dark red, I know that the market maker is now going to be building a long position as you're trying to get out of your long position. And they're buying back their shorts, or they're, essentially buying back their short positions that they sold for a cheaper price. I know that's a lot to kind of ingest in.
And actually, that makes perfect sense. I just read this book called Volume Price Analysis by Anna Coling that basically was saying exactly that.
Yes, that's where the stem of this thesis comes into, and then also look into Sonic R system. That's where my type of trading comes from. I learned it from that, and also from volume price analysis.
Yeah, I'd never heard of
Sonic R.
A chart. Yeah, is that what is is that what's changing the colors of your candles?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
Yeah, the Sonic R system is predominantly used in Forex, and then my mentor started to use it into Bitcoin, and then I started to use it into stocks. But the difference with those other exchanges is that the Forex is open 24 hours a day. So you're getting more reactional moves and pullbacks quicker than the stock market is. So that's where you have to kind of practice your patience with it. And if you're going to use this type of system and you want to scalp, you need to look into smaller time frames. But usually you don't want to go any higher than a 30-minute, because anything above that, you're now looking at a swing position with this type of system, because of the fact that the market is not open 24 hours unless you're trading futures.
So your biggest candle you're looking at is 15-minute?
Mm-hmm. Especially for if I'm looking for like a quick day trade to be in a trade for about 15 to 30 minutes.
That's what I usually do as well. So
Anything above that, then I'm going to be looking as it as a day trade, and then I'll look at next week's expirations. Alright, so on the 30-minute, we basically cleared over the 370.25, and then we got slightly just under that 370.65 and starting to pull back down now. Still 2 minutes left on this candle. Man, the 362s went to shit.
Yo, you seen Time Traveler's alert? He went 100% in 3 minutes.
Well, he was probably still swinging those fucking those calls from yesterday.
No, he alerted new ones. He alerted 3730 calls for $4, and they were already double up after 3 minutes.
Sheesh.
Yeah, I posted the chart in market hours chat. It literally just gaps up right after he gets in.
But SPX?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's hard to alert XPX because it's just like one green candle. It's like $60. Ethan, are you here?
I think he ran away.
I think he left for like a little bit. Is he playing with November contracts, right?
Yeah, I saw that X count.
Let's have a lunchtime retracement to VWAP.
I would love a lunchtime retracement to VWAP.
He's back.
do you guys have supply here?
We tapped a supply and rejected it. We're below it now.
This is the 0.618 fib from swing high to swing low.
Yeah, we did a massive pump. This might be the turnaround. We might start dumping now. Who
I
knows?
hope so.
Is that the tack knife?
Yeah, I'm on my phone. My headset broke.
Oh, hell no. I thought that was your brother.
I thought that was somebody else.
I thought it was someone else too.
He sounds so different.
My headset broke, so I'm on my phone.
Oh my gosh.
It's alright. I have a new one on the way. It's in there. Comes in like an hour or so. That Amazon Prime delivery, dude. 2-hour delivery.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fast.
Shit, stop fucking pushing. Goddamn.
It's about 86% buyers.
Yeah.
I might use my day trades to get back in a position, but I'm not sure what position to get into.
I will be looking at 0-day 366 as a viable option here.
366 puts. Yeah, I was looking at those.
Since it's still earlier on in the day, we haven't even hit that hour mark.
Yeah. I did a chase with Time Traveler. I chased 3,750 calls. Made $400 on those. Because by the time I saw Time Traveler's alert, as I said, his had already doubled up. So I was like, I've got to get something that I can actually get.
Yeah. Let me look at Monday's 360 plus.
I was looking at Monday's 366s.
Monday's 366s are not bad either.
Nah.
I actually get the 365s. This is at a negative delta 29, and they're $1 under $1.50, which is still not bad. Yeah, I'll play those ones. I'm not gonna play the 366 puts for today.
No,
We can,
no
we can,
0 days.
We can chop around for a bit and then before we flush, and I don't want to lose that value.
We're at 87% buyers right now, 88 on ES. Cat, you just want some attention today, don't you? No, he wants to sit in this damn chair because it's in the sun.
Oh, according to the option burger, the lowest you could have got the 365s was at $1.17 today. That's too. I'm not gonna chase that. So if I was to look at the option burger,
Chin burger.
yeah, option burger. Oh fuck.
What?
$1.35 would be my cutoff here for these 365 puts. Okay, well, since I'm looking at Monday's expiration, let me see what I'm working with.
Now travelers alerting Pooters. 3650 Pooters.
What?
Yeah.
Or a lotto?
Well, isn't every one of his plays a lotto?
Well, that's true. But he
Yeah.
actually listed it lotto.
I want to see some type of push first. I want to see if I can get these contracts cheaper.
Thanks for the information, Professor X. I'm gonna head out. I'm out of my calls, so we're good.
Alrighty. Have a good one. Shit. Let's see if I can get built here. Come on, fill me. Alright, I just grabbed 365 puts for Monday at $1.46. I will cut these if these go down to $1.25.
Go.
Oh, there we go.
I'm in those 366s. I got them for 163.
For Monday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I think that we're going to come down to about retested 367.99 because that was an important area for us like the last 3 days. We kept bouncing off of it, then we got below it, and now we're breaking back up through it, and now we want to see if that 367.99 is a viable area.
We're in a ginormous flag too.
Flag up or flag down?
It's a bull flag.
Bruh.
I'll send it to you. So you can see my pretty colors.
Pretty colors? Can I see pretty colors?
I already sent it to you.
Oh, that one. Yeah.
What is that? 20-minute?
That's 30.
Oh, 30.
But it doesn't matter. I mean, it's the same. Buy stop? No, I want to sell stop. I want to buy stop.
I can see that.
But we did fill that 4-hour fair value gap. We still have one more to fill to the downside.
I'm gonna signal this one. P.E. wide open SPY 65 does for 10, 24, and $1. Oh, shit, it's already flushing. Damn it, I hate that.
Yep.
Stop since it's up like that would be $1. It's moving too fast. This is why, rule of thumb, people. I'm not big on signaling. It's better for voice chat, but I get that most people need to see a signal, so I try to get it in there as quickly as possible. But if you're in VC, then you can hear me say that I'm entering to the place. Then you guys also know that I'm in the play as well. Is that $1.75? If you want, guys, be my guest and trim here. I think I'm going to take my first trim if we crack through 366.99 on the 10-minute. Let me do a scale out for anyone. Wants to.
It's 65% buyers.
Alright, I'm going to take the first trim here. We tap the 367.66. We clear through. Next trim will be at 367.31.
Hey guys,
Hey.
I'm expecting the same movement as yesterday for today. I have XPX puts. Just one on track.
Damn, time travel's now printing on his put side. Pretty
What
sure
did
he's
he
got 100% on that now.
Which one did he get?
36.
Well, he got into 3/730 calls this morning, went doubled up in 3 minutes, and now he's got into the put side and he's already doubled up on that as well.
Well, he got 350s. I mean 3950s. I did too.
He got 3650s, yeah.
My
What is
contracts
average?
are
Let me see.
not coming back.
Let's see his average. Oh, he got in cheaper.
He got in at 430.
I got in at 450.
Dude,
All right,
my
guys.
contracts are not coming back to me. This is kind of rough.
I took it at $2, guys.
Watch Tesla break 200 today.
Oh, that's down 200.
Bruh, I'm allowing this shit to go to 0.
Oh fuck! Tesla hit the 210 and then rolled over. That would have been my short position right there at the 210, and then I would have took profits or trimmed at 207.34. We cracked below that. Next area where you can take profits is at if it closes below 205.94. You got 204.99 as your target.
Do not get back above 3,700.
Now the pump today was kind of scary. Reminded me of something.
Oh, pump and dump?
Nah, just reminded me of the day we just kept going. and XPS gave me a $30 candle on the 1 minute.
All right, it hit my stop. I had a trailing stop set on the 366 puts. I made 40%.
I kind of want to limit risk.
I should have got more than one contract of this bitch.
Same.
How many contracts? I only got one. Only got one contract.
Well, I was in SPY, but I only grabbed one. I only had set a purchase for one, and I had set some for a little bit lower, and they never hit. So
It gave me a 3-minute flush like you gave Time Traveler. Thank you.
Oh, really? You're gonna flush now?
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Glitch.
Yeah, it hit my trail stop. I mean, it's like I said, it's 40%. So.
Yeah, let me just get a lot here. There's no way I paper hand this, right?
No, yeah, you did.
There's a way you can, but that's beside the point.
Yeah, so fuck it. Let's put a high ass. Let's get out at 740.
I'm down 76 because I had a bad play earlier.
Oh shit!
It blew my stop loss, and I had chased to sell it.
Sorry to hear that, mate.
It happens.
2 lottos. I have, Tesla 200 puts, and also have 650s for today. And I got them at 26 cents.
I'm limiting risk.
Let's
Getting
go.
nice
Let's
and
go.
low.
Get out, please. I'm about to get filled.
All right, so if the 10-minute closes below 367.31, guys, you're going to see a nice little pop up to retest that 367.99.
Shut up. Shut up.
Pop up. We don't need pops.
Stop it.
You got to. You can't just be a straight flush down because you know why? Everyone else is going to get into puts, and then they're just going to basically market makers are going to be like, all right, you guys want to grab puts? We'll sell you puts. Boom. Back up we go.
I'm getting out these XPX.
You got to trim accordingly, guys. Don't be thinking that you're going to hit a home run.
Well, Time Traveler does it.
Yeah, but Time Traveler, I love Time Traveler's plays. Don't get me wrong, but some of them I'm like, bro, what are you seeing that I'm not seeing?
Bro, it's all about guts. All you have to do is grab your pick and just hold it.
There has been times when Time Travelers got into calls and the market's clearly in a downtrend.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think after FOMC, when the market was absolutely tanking, Time Travelers was like, oh, calls. And the market still kept dumping. It was like, Time Traveler, what the fuck? Like, do you not see news? Did you completely forget Powell just spoke?
He is Paul.
Like I said, you're gonna see a nice little pop here. It's gonna retest the 367.99. Telling you, I don't know what it is about this fucking fib level. Well, I don't know the actual retracement thing because I took it off my fib, but it's 367.99. It's been my kryptonite for the last 3 days. I wanted to short it once it closed below it, and then each time it hit, it popped up twice on me and it fucked me over. And then we broke below it yesterday, and I decided to close my charts because I was like, man, this shit's too slow for me.
This shit is too slow for me.
We break
I want to
through
go
it.
to the bathroom.
We break through it, and then next thing you know, it's like, all right, let me short it back down to it, clear it, and now we're going right back to it. Archie, we hit those price targets from that level I just mentioned. If I hope you're not bag holding because I know that you're trying to rebuild your account, so you need to be taking profits at each price target or at as close to the price targets that are mapped out. I'm still using the same exact SPY chart that I gave you, I believe, the other day. I wasn't able to update my chart this morning because I woke up late, but the levels still apply. And all I did was just throw on the fib on a high-low of a smaller time frame, And once we cracked through that negative 41 retracement level, then I looked at what we needed to retrace back up to from the previous trading days. So, you know, since you're still building your account, I would suggest do not bag hold.
Never bag hold.
Never do. It never works out.
Or don't hold too long for trying to get a home run play. Take your 35% gains and then just wait until, you know, you're able to then scale up. So that way you're able to then have more contracts.
All right. Well, my contracts came back to me. I saved some money, so I'm just managing risk now. I took off some contracts. I sold them for red, but it's okay.
Yeah, that's true.
How bad are you down, brother?
Not terrible.
It's been a minute you've been done for today after a bad play. Good job.
Good job, everybody.
Good job. Yay.
The only thing that's a concern to me is we're at 30 minutes on control.
We get that sexy tag knife voice in today.
We got to break 36.90. There's like a whole lot of buyers down here.
What are you saying, Scal?
That's not good.
I said you got a sexy voice today.
Really?
Yeah,
Do I sound
stupid.
sexy on my phone?
Yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah,
sound
baby.
better. You sound a lot more British or European or whatever.
Wow, fuck you. When my headset comes, I'm switching to that instantly. You do not get to...
I'm just saying. I'm just saying, dude. It's the truth.
Hey, you're making us all moist.
Okay, can we all just acknowledge that Spy cannot clear over 367.99 like I keep saying?
I'm all out of XPX at 7.4. If this shit goes to
Damn.
like $100, fuck
I
it.
was
gonna cry.
down. I was down $2,000 on my short, and now I'm up 347.
I'm proud of you.
I love ranges. Just keep averaging down.
I was down $7,000. I'm all the way down 2,800 now. But my November
Just break
put is
here.
green. Somehow I was averaging down at these same levels. My SPX is still red. My SPY is green.
Of course.
It's
I'm on
because
XPX.
SPX is like bid ask is so fucking wide, man. That's
Yeah,
just
but then it's kind of hard. You just gotta like trace it. Like those $50 ranges, it just moves
Oh.
up.
Traveller's now getting back into calls.
Who?
Traveller.
Stop doing shit like that. Well,
He's made his money on puts. Now he's getting into the calls again.
There's 2 1-hour supply zones ahead on Spy.
all right, I made money.
No, we'll break through here. Yeah, see what it did, Royal? You see that?
Yeah.
It touches it first, and then the next one we should break through.
See, but my SPX contracts should be green here, and they're not.
Oh man.
Should be, but they're not.
Oh man. I had an alert for AMD puts. Now they're up 100%.
And I limited risk way too early. I should have just waited for this.
There's no such thing as limiting risk too early.
Yeah, I don't think anyone. That pop was crazy.
you gotta ask yourself, what news would cause that pop? Nothing. So it's a tactic that's
Oh.
being used.
It's the Wall Street Journal.
It was because
Glitch.
the
I did
What?
dollar. Because the
Yeah,
dollar's
it's at 9.50.
Well, my contracts are about to
That's
go
what-
green.
Yeah, mine are
If
about
my
to be green
if
too.
my contracts go green and I limited risk and that's the whole reason why I end today red, I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm really pissed. It's like I just sold like 5 seconds ago, and this shit just gains like $2.
Dude,
Yeah.
I sold at fucking 23. These are at 27 now. My average is 28.62.
Oh gosh, you guys are okay. Well, I just trimmed again at 245 before that buy up. God dang, 140, 245.
At least my other
So-
I have one put that's down 7.5%. I have one put that's up 6.5%. That's just fucking great.
Fuck XPX, bro.
I'm up 100 per contract right now. I already trimmed.
Let me look at something. The short was looking weak.
What did Tesla do?
Oh no. That I don't know what's gonna happen.
All right,
But
I'm
I
cutting
need
this
that too much.
SPX. I'm gonna hold my SPY.
I already got up. My SPY hit my last contract, so
The yen is going wild.
Well, he's probably printing on calls.
The yen's popping, guys. The yen's popping.
yeah. Okay.
I
Yeah,
don't like that 1 minute doji.
go to the 15-minute.
Something's happening in Japan.
Oh yeah, Japan. The Bank of Japan did something.
Okay, that 1 minute Joji is kind of scary.
Why does it?
But we don't put it off fear.
Well, that's VWAP.
We bounced on VWAP or under?
Yes, did. Above it. Almost.
I got 5 runners left, and I'm moving my stop to 190 here. But I think that we
See,
flex
good.
down.
See if this Head and Shoulders plays out.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna load more Tesla. I'm down 30%. Nah, that's dumb. I'm not gonna do that.
I'm telling you, we're gonna keep flushing, baby. We're gonna close at.
Yeah, like yesterday, what the fuck happened?
We're gonna close at 365.
Nobody
think
ever won 250.
Ooh, alright, someone stepped in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Someone had a buy order there. Don't fucking stop me out of this. You son of a bitch, you. I'm not even looking at the book map. That's the fucked up part of it.
Well, I already played XPX today, so no more playing XPX today, guys.
Oh, come on. You want to play again?
No, because I always lose the second time.
Hopefully, a time traveler is green on that dip buy there.
I know, I think he did.
He went green there off of that buyer.
For sure.
Yeah. He's playing SPX, and that buyer stepped in aggressively. Oh my gosh.
When Tesla falls, it's gonna fall, boy. It's gonna be fucking a beauty.
Well, just pay attention to the Qs since Tesla's not in S&P 500 no more.
That chat's at $7.30. What the?
What the fuck?
So sad.
Tesla is really trying to.
Absolutely for cheaters, anyways.
I was looking at my old screenshots, and I remember when I hit 500% on Roku 340s.
Time when Roku was that high.
Literally 340. And I was just like, wait, is this even right? Was this like 2 years ago? No, it was last year, guys. In September.
Damn.
Yeah, that shit's crazy. Roku's at $50 now.
Bro, do you guys see where Nikola Motors is at? $2 and some change.
Yeah, it's like completely fucking. That company shouldn't exist.
There's a lot of companies that shouldn't exist.
Yeah, and in this market is the market to make them not exist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even at the height of like where it went, the highest it went to was like $100. And
Did you see Revlon got delisted?
no,
Mhm.
Yeah, Revlon's been delisted.
Peloton's next.
No.
No, not Peloton.
No, Peloton. Come on.
There's a bunch of people selling theirs.
What about
Nah.
Wish? Should we just buy Wish calls for shits and giggles?
oh man,
Why?
I
I
had
don't
Wish
even know
calls.
why Wish existed. That company is
Wish
still
under-
from board.
It's under $1. Yeah, it's under $1.
Yeah, literally,
my
just
God.
get January 17th, 2025.
That's a nice dip here. I may have
Oh my
to.
gosh, I had this thing charted.
You have Wish charted? You're disgusting. Yeah. Oh, fuck. What is this green candle?
January 2025, huh?
If you look at ES on the 5 minute, that is a massive like that's what are those candlestick patterns people talk about? A hammer? It looks like a fucking hammer. Where it pushed down, but there was a big buyer there that just pushed it up.
It's a royal nose.
Shooting
Some kind of
star.
doji. Yeah, some kind of doji.
Hammerfish?
it baffles me that, well, it doesn't baffle me. It's because we're human, so we're conditioned for pattern recognition to give us.
So, Gravestone. But Gravestone's the other way.
Yeah.
He always. Royal always used to, yeah, Gravestone. Royal always used to play Gravestone. But
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I
There's a
love gravestones.
I was just like, what the fuck is a gravestone, bro?
Gravestone or a Dragonfly? That's Dragonfly's the other way.
I'm pretty sure we call it Tombstone, don't we?
I don't know. The thing.
God, who knows?
Look at us. We're over here trying to figure out what kind of fucking candle it is as a fucking pattern to determine if we want to go along there. That doesn't even make sense.
You're right. You're right. It just proves we don't know what we're talking about.
Yeah. Before we used to go to Wall Street Bets and look at GameStop and just buy calls for the shit of it, and we hit 10,000% just on vibes.
Yes. It doesn't even. That's why I said, like, most of this shit doesn't even matter. Like, do you think a quantitative trader or an algo gives a fuck about this shit? No. It's just like, let me look at a decimal whole number where psychologically where I can fuck people over. And we're too busy over here arguing over fucking a candle that's like, I think it's a gravestone, I think it's a morning star, I just one of these damn fucking things. It doesn't matter.
Tell us how you really feel.
You literally, TA is bullshit. Just buy calls.
Oh my gosh! Instead of just looking at like, okay, there's liquidity here, there's buyers here. What's the story that's being told here? Someone's buying at this level. Why are they buying at this level?
Because of the candle, I think it's a tombstone.
I don't know, man. Like, and that's why I say like most of the people like on CNBC who are talking about charts and like,
it's a grave digger's witcher's hat.
Yeah. All it does is that it just gets retailers to be like, oh man, there's that candlestick I was reading about. Oh, that's an area for me to go long. So then it's like, okay, checklist 1. And it's like, you go into the position and you get a little bit of a push up and then you get the flush that we just had. And then you're like, man, it didn't even work. Now you're just like discouraged to even, that's where I think a lot of people get a lot of discouraged from.
You're saying to do the opposite.
All I'm saying is that you want to pay attention to the volume, and you also want to pay attention to just what's happening within the context of that.
Have you seen the volume on SPY? It's whack-a-mole, dude.
What, the volume?
Yeah, the first candle has 800,000, the second candle has 100,000, then 15 minutes later there's no volume.
Yeah.
And then 30 minutes later there's suddenly 100,000, then after that there's no volume.
I understand.
Like, SPY's volume today is weird.
We're in a decline in volume. Like, that's why I have my volume on. We're in a decline. So does it make sense for us to buy calls there? No. I would wait until there's literally no volume to the downside until we find a volume slope. So now we're looking to retest this 367.99 again on the 5-minute. And on the 10-minute, but I'm looking more so at the 10-minute. Shit, I might get stopped out here. I don't want to get stopped out. I don't want to get stopped out.
Wow, someone bought my contracts at 23.70. They're expecting this thing to fucking dump again.
I still got 3 minutes left on my fucking 10-minute candle.
Yeah, someone bought 200 contracts of this at 26.29, and they're currently at 22. So.
Excel.
Yeah.
Streaming doesn't limit the channel. It's only when you put on a webcam it limits the channel.
Well, I was the only one streaming and it was limited.
No, Royal had his webcam on.
I had my webcam.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Royal.
So I can stream.
Yeah, you can stream. The stream limit is 100.
Just need to break this uptrend.
Yeah.
Get above 3,700, we're going to 11 again. Damn.
I still got how many minutes? I still got 2 minutes left on my 10-minute candle, so I'm not out.
Go in your room, buddy. Yes, you're in trouble.
Uh-oh.
I don't make the rules. Mommy does.
Mommy wears pants in the family.
No, she lets him get away with everything. So sometimes he has to listen.
Ah, motherfucker!
Hit my stop. Damn it!
I'm still in it. Fuck it. I just messaged that. It hit the stop, but I'm still holding. I want to see what happens in 2 minutes because I'm looking at the 10-minute time frame.
2 minutes left on. Yeah.
I want some money.
I would rather have people who are following the trade to get out with profits rather than them try to hold because I'm fucking still holding and take a loss. I have a little bit more flexibility in my account here for today. Before I have to pull a whopping $8,000 out to pay for my son's fucking 8th grade trip.
Oh, I thought you bought him shoes
$8,000.
again.
No.
$8,000.
$8,000? Where the hell is he
What
going?
fucking school trip is that? Is he going to Barbados?
No. The trip in total is $2,200 to DC for like a week and a half for his 8th grade trip.
2,200 for DC?
Yeah, they're going through like a traveling group, but they broke it down to pay it off in like payments per month. But I'm like, I don't really like to do payments, so I'm going to just pay it off in full. So I'm going to pay that off in full, but I also have to make sure that he has put money on like a credit card for him, like one of those bank cards when he's out there, and also get him just stuff to have for traveling because he lives
Wait,
very.
the trip itself is 2.2k.
Huh?
So the trip itself is 2.2k.
Yeah, 2,200.
So where's the other 5.8k going?
I'm putting 1,000 on a credit card for him, so it can get him through the week because I'm pretty sure he's going to want to buy souvenirs. And the other stuff is to pay like partially of my mortgage and some other shit that I have, my other bills.
Oh, so it's not 8k for the whole trip?
No, not 8K for a whole.
No, you're making it sound like it was 8K for the whole trip.
Yeah, you
I'm
made it
sorry.
sound like yeah.
No. I'm sorry, guys. It's
You
not.
said,
8K
you
for the whole.
said I've got to pull out 8k for my son's school trip. And I'm like, wait, what?
No, it's not all in for that. It's about roughly for him probably about 3,500, and the other like 4 is going to be paying like bills and paying off some other medical bills for my daughter.
Can I be your son?
Sure. You got to get up every morning and every morning at 4 a.m. and go to the gym. If you're okay with that.
Well, I can't do that because I have to stay up late for the market.
I'm gonna have to sponsor you.
Pull yourself up, buddy.
All right, I'm getting out of these. I'm gonna get out at 172, a little bit above.
Wait, apparently there's been news of a Fed pivot.
Yeah, that's why we pushed pre-market.
They're not doing the 75 basis point.
They're going to do 75 and I think cool down after that. Wall Street Journal came out with an article.
I didn't see that.
Well, that's not what the Fed's been saying. Hell, the Fed said they're going to do 100.
Because they need liquidity, so they get the news to do shit.
Yeah. Because I didn't see it in my economics calendar of any important economic news or anything like that that would warrant this push up. So I was like, it has to be either news driven, and I'm not on Twitter right now. I mean, I have a Twitter, but I don't have it pulled up.
Look at the
Why
yen,
the hell
guys.
not?
Huh?
Look at
Remember.
the yen.
Yen.
Yen,
Is
dude.
yen?
The yen's going to the moon.
I think Japan did something over the weekend.
I think they're doing something now. The yen is absolutely flying. It's not affecting the market yet, but it should soon. The dollar should be weakening. And that should push the market up.
All they did was wrote that they were doing a 0.75 in their next meeting and are likely to debate whether and how to signal plans to approve a smaller increase in December. That was really sad.
That's not what I've heard. I've heard they're going to do 100 in November and 75 in December. I mean, that's what Powell said. That's what came out of his mouth.
You said Dark Pool Royal?
So I'm not
No.
sure what the Wall Street Journal is getting.
Sorry, guys. One of my friends from high school just passed away. I'm sorry.
Oh
Give me a
man,
sec.
sorry to hear that.
Brother.
That Dark Pool. Wow.
See guys, this is what I'm also seeing. The 10-minute. I don't know if a lot of you guys use the 10-minute time frame, but look at the 10-minute on SPY with your extended hours on. And this is something that I teach regularly, like religiously in classes, looking for that information. We have the first leg up, and then we had the pullback. Now we're having a nice little push up here. Either we break above higher day or we reject 369.60, and then we come right back down to continue that information. For those who don't look at it as an M, think of it as a double top. We're forming a double top here. It's just going to take some time, so you either can do one of two things. You can either just sit on the sidelines or play the call side up to higher day, which is, what, 2 points up, 370. I wouldn't play 0 days. I would play Monday 370s here. Close them out once we get closer to higher day. Leave a small runner to think that we can break higher day. Then if we reject higher day, swap over into the puts, grab back into the 365 puts for Monday, and then you can catch the remainder of the falling leg down to, I think, 364.92. Actually, let me remove this.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Yo, FBI, listen to Tag Knife talk.
Tag Knife, talk.
Tag talk.
He's not going to talk now.
Yeah.
Why?
Tag Knife's on his phone. He sounds different, and he doesn't believe us. He sounds different.
Dude, I fucked up big time. Not big time, but I fucked up last night. I fell
Did you
asleep
fuck up
mid
on
short.
this time?
I fell asleep mid short.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I did that. I did that when we rallied, or I was long and we dumped or something.
Well, okay. So, luckily I'm only short one. Okay. So right now I'm only down 190, and my entry was 36.61. Which I'm kind of mad about because I said that was at like 3 in the morning. I passed out at like 3:30 in the morning.
Man, we can't get over this 367.99, buddy.
Dude, if I would have been stayed awake or my alarm went off at like 5,
You weren't
I could have
snoring,
made
you would
like
have heard it.
200. I think there's something wrong with the phone because my alarm does not go off.
I have sleep apnea due to snoring.
No, because my alarm doesn't go off. Like just now, I fucking picked up my phone and then my alarm went off. My alarm is supposed to go off at 6:20. Yeah, so I'm in the short right now that I'm down 190 on, which isn't awful. I thought I was gonna be down like 500. I thought I was about to fail out of this fucking funded exam. Which I was so sad about. Let's see if this comes down today. I'll be so happy. Yeah, this can come back down to freaking 6:50. No, what is this? It's 5:35 in the morning time. I'll be golden.
Oh, we're about to break the uptrend.
But I'm down like 200 today, and I don't even want to be.
Stop, computer. We broke the uptrend. Oh my gosh, I can't with this computer right now.
I swear to God, if my puts are about to go green, I'm gonna be pissed.
Did you see a dark pool at today?
Wait, dude, my puts are about to go green. That's such bullshit.
$3.6 billion one.
At what price?
364.60.
364.60. We haven't even been there.
At open.
Interesting.
Man, if we would have saw that live, oh my gosh.
Did it come in as an SP?
It's saying 1039.
Yeah, but send me a picture. I don't have access to Blackbox anymore.
Oh, it's on Shutterflow Twitter.
Yeah, I got in a fight with Blackbox, and they banned me.
It was like, you're being too hostile.
No, just Option Trader Mike is a fucking dick. Like, a real fucking dick. See,
Someone
but XCal, we would have seen that on Bookmap.
What, this Spy 364? 60 level Excalibur?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? XCal, we did see it on Bookmap. Wow.
Bookmap's just ES lots, not SPY.
Yeah, I know, but look at the amount of buyers at 3640. Like, look at the orange blotch from this morning. It was massive. It's funny. Bookmap says we're under VWAP. ES shows that we're not.
Yeah, their Bookmap's different. Or their VWAP's different. We broke our uptrend.
So you're saying that candle that we was arguing over is a fucking doji star?
Yeah, my other puts are up 10%. I'm just hoping for them to keep going.
A doji star that had a small reversal and then ducked. I wonder. Oh, sorry. I wonder who went aggressive on this doji star or long leg.
If you're playing futures, that's like $1,000 play on 2 lots.
Yeah, but how many of them play futures where that can actually help you?
Dude, my fucking SPX contracts are gonna go green.
What was your expiration, Royal?
October 25th.
Ayos.
They just went green. Wow, they just went green.
Dude, if my short here goes green, I'm only down 105
My
on it.
puts are green.
Dude, my puts would be up $200 a contract. I'd be up $1,000 right now. That would have been $2,000 on the day.
Man after here.
I'm trimming. Screw you guys cutting.
Wow, I
said no
should have
stop
held.
loss.
I should have held.
It's all good. I'll get another.
Oh, that sucks. It sucks so much. One sec.
16, should I just cut this ring? Or... Professor,
Yes.
do you think ES can get below 36.58?
Yep. I think that we'll probably see a bounce at 36.53.25. We're getting a bearish grade 1 on the 4 hour, so that lets me know that we are flushing down. It's going to take us a little bit, about anywhere between an hour and a half to 2 hours to get down to 36.53.25.
Hour and a half?
Yeah. You're looking at but you're looking at the 4 hours though. But if you're looking like at a smaller time frame to scalp, pay attention to the 30-minute on ES. Let me see. Do I even have it?
Because I'm debating on whether or not I should just average into this.
Wow, I am pissed. I would have made fucking buku bucks if I would have just held it. And I was telling myself, wait until 12. I just over leveraged, that's why.
Oh, 68.
On the 1 hour, 1 hour you can see 36.70, 75 here. Oh, man. I should have just trimmed out of my fucking 365. Shouldn't have trimmed or allow myself to get stopped. I knew exactly what they were doing. That's the fucked up part. I knew exactly what they were doing. Be right back. They're putting a new dishwasher in my condo today.
Oh, you got a new wife?
Hmm?
You got a new wife?
No new wife. No new nothing.
Well, a new dishwasher means new wife, right?
Oh, a new wife? Yeah, a dishwasher? Perfect. Just walk that bitch in and...
I need a new dryer. My dryer sucks.
I'm gonna go and order a new washer and dryer for the little small laundry room. Trying to renovate this place, so when I move to Texas, I can just use it as a rental property. Shit. We're holding on SPY here. Let's see. We're at, if you want to say, you're at the 366.17, which is a 50% retracement off of Fibonacci off of, what time frame did I use this off of? I think I used it off of the 10-minute, yeah. Price, they keep buying right there. What the fuck? These are some decent buyers. Price goes below 365.97 on the 5-minute. You will then see 365, 65, 365, 16. It's just my educated guess. I need to check my fucking calendar. Bum 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 bum. Hey back, I'm gonna make me some breakfast now. Not seeing anything that I personally like here. I'm just in a range on a larger time frame. I think I won't see a reaction until another hour, hour and a half. Hopefully to the upside here to continue the M formation. So it's just all about waiting, guys.
Well, 139 bucks. I'll take that. I'll take that. Yeah, I was down like 400 at one point, 300. Yeah.
Is it just me or is no one talking?
What
no
the
one's
fuck?
no one's talking.
Who is that? Oh my god, Xco, you were right. I couldn't
Oh,
tell
it
who that
was?
was.
Yeah, I
couldn't
was
tell
right.
who that was for a second, and then the accent gave it away.
I was right? Of course I was. What was I right on?
Tag knife, let me. Tag knife. I heard you.
Oh, yeah, Tag Knife talking. Does he sound cool?
I heard him talk, and I was like, is that a new guy? And then
Yeah,
I
we
heard
thought it was
the
a new
accent.
guy. That was his brother.
Tag knife, speak to me.
Oh, we were range bound, we broke below, pumped up, and we broke above. I guess we're going back
What?
down.
Let's see what the flip next say. All I know is I gotta make back $130. So
I was down
not
two.
that.
I was down 2K and I'm up 400 now.
Dude, I'm just happy that short didn't absolutely kill me. I'm so happy I didn't wake up at that short being at 37.20. Yeah, it was. I could have been done with fucking $400. We're sitting right at that PX 2618 level again from previous.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some food. I'll be back.
Royal, look at your messages when you can.
What'd you say?
I was gonna say, look at your messages when you can, cause
Yeah, I know. I don't have an update for you yet.
okay.
Yeah, I'm working with two guys right now.
Well, shit, fucking let's hop on a call later today then, and we can talk about that.
Yeah, one of the so
Yeah.
we had a third guy, but he backed out. I'll explain that too. But
Okay.
yeah, I'll give you a call later about it. You have my number.
Cool. Yeah.
All right, bet. I am just going to get a sandwich. Might go to the gym.
Can I have your number?
Yeah, from Subway?
Yeah, of course from Subway.
He lives in Miami. You think he's going to Subway?
What do you mean?
He said, of course he's going to Subway. What do you? That's his favorite place to get a sandwich.
Okay,
There's no way you live in Miami and go to Subway to eat a sandwich.
What do you mean?
Yeah, what do you mean?
The Miami culinary and all the food you have down there, and you go to Subway?
Yeah, but it's not like that. It's more like
It's like living in New York and you're going to Subway every day.
no, because in New York, see, you have deli sandwiches. There are like no delis down here.
You go to New York and you go to Sbarro.
Sbarro, I would never do that. But like in Miami, like you don't have like the best people who make sandwiches are Italians, right? Like Italians make the best sandwiches, and Italians don't live in Miami.
Yeah, we got amazing Italian delis up in Cleveland.
Yeah,
Not had a
Cleveland.
British bullet.
I forget you're from Cleveland.
My wife's never been to one. We went to one. Oh my god, it was awesome. I love it.
Dude, you know my girlfriend's from Columbus.
Yeah.
Like, been to Ohio a few times this year.
They ain't got nothing like that in North Carolina.
By the way, I don't think we get over 3705 today. If we do, that'd be rough. Alright, I'm gonna go get a sandwich. Gonna hide my video camera. I'll be back.
This is interesting.
Yeah, there's Pop. Okay. Damn, I was about to go long there.
It's at 37.7.
That's the play I look for. Like they come up to a liquidity area, bring it back down, and then push it up.
We're kind of flagging. Did got it perfectly too. God, this volatility right now is insane. We're making big moves.
You have a supply if you want to sell off at the highs. 37.11's right there. 37.11.50.
We have a level here. Let's see, reject here at 37.8.
Looks like we're forming the last leg of the M here. So just waiting. Guys, not. Oh, you can also look at the 10-minute and says this is a potential cup. And then the handle will be coming down, right? Cup and handle? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a DM from Excalibur saying, "No, this is what a cup and handle looks like." So just keep waiting.
This shit is looking bullish. Yep. Wow. Tesla Bears, y'all won. Me Bulls. Yeah, definitely won today. Let's see what happens at 369.
There we go.
I'm not even a punch. Fuck.
Still think they gotta bring it up. There's no liquidity below.
Damn, though.
37.11. No joke.
Mm. Unless you can.
Okay, let's see what I could play. Cut Tesla. Five, Thomas, five.
What is the yen? 6J. Man, we should have been trading this.
Nobody should.
No.
Or my name. Yes, not.
Bro, what the fuck is
Hmm?
going on?
What's the market doing, man? Because I haven't been up on the screen.
Fucking pumping.
We're kind of sideways right now, but for the past 4 minutes, we've been moving upwards to cover what we lost the past 5 minutes. So
Okay.
we've been doing.
All right. Well, I'll jump on here in a minute. I still got somebody here, so.
Holy shit, bro. Yeah. We're popping right over it.
Oh man, I thought I was talking to you guys the whole time. Guess not. Excalibur streaming, bookmap.
Fundamentals should trade, so just quick scalping out.
Hey, you're 100% the caption, right?
Yes, yeah.
Price action is quite scary.
What's scary?
Price action.
Oh, no, it's just making a move up, like I expected it. We're going to look to retest that 369.60, 370.25 region. If we get back up there, you don't want to just take a short position right away. You want to see, can it pop over to at least touch 370.89, and then you can look to short it from there. I like to short above 370.25, putting my stop at 370.89 level. And look at the 15. Nothing on the 15. Next level of liquidity is sitting at 372 to 371.46 to 372.48. Had a nice little bit of a 50% retracement there, bounced off of the negative 41 level, the 366.77, coming up to a rally here. It seems to me on the 30 minute, my apologies, they're trying to close out any long positions, and now there's the push. Nice. Going up to that wick on the 30 minute. People are coming in 15 minutes to install my new dishwasher.
Jesus Christ. Netflix. Damn. I was just eyeing that up.
Fuck. I think I saw my levels on Netflix. Yeah. Calls above 277 I had for
Whoa,
poster.
that was a slap. Watch it wick all the way up and break through it.
I think Netflix is trying to push to 285 today. Still pretty early. Oh no. Netflix has the brakes being pulled on them temporarily.
Yeah, like I thought. This shit got slapped down and fucking came back up. I could have some troubles here.
Again, guys, at 369.60, you're either going to be seeing a push up into that region. You want to start to get a short position slightly above it. Once it hits at 370.25, you want to put your stop then at 370.89, or better yet, 371.50 for Monday's 365 puts.
Fuck. Bro, just hit 370, please.
I'm still gonna wait here. There's still about 8 minutes left on this candle. I'll be back. I gotta start getting shit out of my old dishwasher. Still got 2 minutes left on this 10-minute candle. Watching very, very due diligent here. I want to see us try to push and test that 370.25, but just seems like we get close to it and then we don't. Also, everyone pay attention to 369.95. 369.95 here as well. I'm watching the chart on the premium burger. If these contracts get down to $1.17, that'll be something I'll look into as well. Just under a minute left on this 10-minute candle. All right, we just broke through. Higher day is 370.63. See if we can break through it. Ooh. We broke higher day. Ooh, this is interesting. Oh.
A pretty decent volume here on the 15th for the Dow. This is some volume coming in here. Wow.
You have a Fed speaker.
Oh.
Which Fed speaker we got?
Daily or daily, yeah.
Thank God I got out of my short.
I see William. Is it William?
Daily. Daily. I guess he was going to 45. 37.45.
Valid.
Bookmap, when there's like no liquidity to the other way, they don't go that way.
All right, we've cleared out that block of liquidity, so I can go ahead and remove that. Let's see, since there's no sellers here, or let's see, 30-minute. Okay. What does the 1 hour say? Okay. Darn it. I'm in 365 puts here. My stop is going to be if it gets to 95 cents from $1.18. I really don't like to take trades at this time, but let's see what we do. Looking at the hourly, we can easily push up more, but I think that we're going to cool off here. I'm going to come back down to at least 368.95 is going to be my first target here. And that's going off of the hourly time frame, so I am prepared to hold this for closer to the end of the day. Not trying to swing anything here. Let's see if we can get the contracts over 135 again on these. We can do a trim here. Nice little.
There we go.
Let's see if I can get this to one. Back above 130. Hey, hang on.
Whoa, what the hell? Someone has access to one of my cards. Nobody hit that shit lock. Someone just tried spending $127 on my fucking phone for Grubhub. Like what? That's fucked.
SPY strong sell coming in.